morning, Vlogmas Day 9. Today's kind of crazy. I have a lot of deadlines that I'm trying to meet for clients. Like yesterday was super slow, but today is busy, and so I'm helping some of my coworkers with some deadlines today, and I have some deliverables due to my clients as well. So I am doing a lot of work today, but we do have Christmas with my parents tonight. They go out of town, they go to Hilton Head, where they have their vacation house for Christmas every year, and so we have to do it early this year, but we have to do it extra early because Brett is leaving on the 12th for some police training in another city. So we have to do it early because my parents leave while he's gone. So there's gonna be like a couple of days where I'm like totally alone, which will suck. But I mean, I've got plenty of friends here that I can like go hang out with. Will I? Probably not. Will I probably just sit in this house for like a week? Yeah, probably. But that's where I am, whether Brett's here or not. So. Will I instead get pneumonia and be completely alone for an entire week? Yes. Yes, I will, and that's why you're seeing Vlogmas Day 9 on the 21st. So, enjoy! But I have to get back to editing this 12-page document for one of my coworkers, and then I think I'm finally gonna get that call with my boss that we've been putting off all week. I am over 60% done with Serpent and Dove, and all I want to do is finish this book right now. So it's killing me. So I'm going to get all this done as quickly as I can, and I'm kind of hoping I can put the first coat on that wall. I don't know. So we shall see. Okay, cool, thanks. Okay, so oh Lord, we're headed upstairs. I have 20 minutes before I jump back on a call with my boss. We got half the work we needed to get done earlier before she had to jump on another call. I just finished yesterday's vlog. It is rendering day 8's vlog. Hold please. It's done rendering. Sweet. So I'm gonna drop this. I'm feeling like I've got that much coffee left, which means the caffeine is starting to kick in. So, uploading Vlogmas Day 8 while we speak. I'm excited. This one actually felt like a legitimate vlog, which like is the whole frackin' point, right? So, I now have 15 minutes. This is not gonna work for me until my call. Actually, I have 15 minutes until I have to message my boss and see if she's ready to jump on a call. And then we're gonna finish our work. My client submitted his last 2 deliverables for the end of the year. I'm so excited for him. He called me, he's super happy, and he's got some kind of like fabulous news he wants to share with us. But in the 15 minutes I have before I need to text my boss, I need to wrap 3 presents. So I do plan on doing a Q&A. I have a lot of presents throughout my office that need wrapped, but I have to get these done for today because they're for my parents' Christmas tonight. So, present wrapping, time lapse. Go. That, I'm sure, was painful to watch. It was painful to do. I don't know why I decided to wrap things because I am legitimately horrible at it. Please do not judge me. Sounds like a delivery truck pulling up. So, I need to go get on my call, and I'm gonna take down the few presents I can take down. Brett's big one, I'm gonna have him carry down. Yes, he has to carry his own presents. So, yep, I will catch up with you later. Please do not judge me. I'm just doing this for funsies. I am not a good rapper, and I am well. Where are the cookies in question? Oh, Bobby, get the hell out of my way, my dude.
Your grandma's cooking her mouth.
Yeah, she makes good cookies.
So Dan, I only have
Let's picture it.
5 of those big salsa plates, so I just thought you were small possibilities. You're not going to eat much, right?
Bobby!
Yeah.
Where's that Bobby dog? There's a pippa.
Chicken. You gave the chicken chicken.
Hello.
So.
Hello, Bobby. Hello. Hello, my dude.
Tonight is chicken Alfredo night, so this is my bowl. I will not be able to eat all this. I'll probably eat like a third of the pasta, but my grandma is here and she doesn't know I've had this surgery, so we're making it look like a regular plate. It's like a whole thing, so we're just pretending like I'm having a normal bowl of food, but like I had a big snack before I came over. Okay, so we are back from my parents' house. I wanted to show you the things that I got from my mom, but first I want to tell you about these sneakers. I bought the super cute and trendy Naked Wolf sneakers. Adorable. If you don't like dad shoes, this ain't it for you. They're damaged. They're dirty. There's spots on them, and the bottoms have clearly been worn. They were very expensive for sneakers, and I'm generally super irritated. They're sold out everywhere. And this was like the last pair I could get. I paid an insane amount of money to get them shipped from the UK to get them here. So I'm gonna have to call the company I got them from. I didn't get them from Naked Wolf, and complain and figure out what I can do, because like I want the shoes, but the only way I'm gonna keep them is if they can give me a really good discount, because I could probably clean them, but the part that's damaged is faux suede, so I can't like wipe it with water, or like I don't know how to clean it. How do you clean faux suede? I don't know. I'll have to Google it if I end up keeping it, but like I waited a long time for these shoes, and I'm really, really pissed that they are damaged and they're supposed to be brand new. If they were brand new, they wouldn't have dirt all over them, and like for the amount of money I paid for them, they should be frickin' perfect. That's the problem with white shoes, right? They're gonna get dirty, but like they shouldn't come dirty. So basically my mom just bought me a bunch of books tilt you a little bit. So I got A Dowry of Blood. Got a lot of kind of gothic, horror-y themed books. The Death of Jane Lawrence. I think this is the first edition. I got a few first editions. I got A Lesson in Vengeance. This was the first edition. People either love this book or hate it. And I got 3 books that I really, really wanted. Guild. Somebody mentioned this in a comment, I think, on one of the other day vlogs, like 6 or 7 or something. And they mentioned that I should read this, and I knew it was on my Christmas list. So that's one I've been keeping myself from buying because I was hoping my mom would buy it. Another one that I've been wanting really badly is The Cruel Prince. I was hoping this would be a first edition, but I think it's like a 9th or 10th printing. So nowhere near first edition. I even thought, where's the... Literally printing 20 on this. But I mentioned this in other videos, I love books with maps and illustrations in them, and like this has some really pretty illustrations in the book. I'm super excited to read this. And then I mentioned on Black Friday that I got the second book in this series. I got a signed first edition copy from Barnes & Noble. This is going to be the next book I read as soon as I'm done with the one I'm reading. I want to read this so badly. I've seen lots of like fan art and stuff about this book, and it's killing me that I can't just start reading it right now because I really want to finish Serpent and Dove, and I'm not that far away from finishing it. But again, a map, and it's just so beautiful, and like the art on the pages is really cool. And I'm actually kind of glad I bought this, or got this in the order I did, because that means that I don't have to wait for the second book. But I think there's probably a third book, and I'm gonna have to wait on that, which will be hard. But that is what I got from my parents, just books. And then Brett got a challenge coin holder. It's custom from Etsy, and we ordered it from this really cool seller that makes everything by hand. So it's a custom piece, and it's just really, really neat. So it holds all of his challenge coins, and he's super excited about it. So yeah. I forgot to show you 3 things last night from my parents' house. The cards my mom gets are always next level adorable. This one was Brett's. Look at mine. It's a little girl shopping with a poodle. Like, it's like, how cute is that? My parents have poodles, and I grew up with them, so like, adorable. And then she got me the Dior Catwalk book. This is the 1947 to 2017. So I'm gonna put this in my office and display it. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna put it on the side of the office that is the designer closet part that I'm designing. So I'm so excited to have this. It's so beautiful. She got it on Amazon, and it was significantly cheaper than anywhere else. So yep, I'm probably gonna attempt in collecting all the other books. I know there's like a Tom Ford and a Prada and a Louis Vuitton book. I don't know what other books there are, but these catwalk books are really cool. So we spent a good chunk of last night looking through all of the fashions, and it was really cool because it goes back far enough that we were able to see, like, so my grandma was born in 1934, I think. What we could see what was in fashion when she was like a teenager, and when the year she got married, and the year my mom was born in the 60s. And it was even cool seeing like what was on the haute couture runways the year I was born. Actually, the stuff from 1992 is actually kind of stunning. Like, look at those. Oh my god, I just love this stuff. And I want to learn more about the designers and their inspirations and everything. So this is just a really good book for that. I'm really excited to dig deeper into it, but also to use it as a beautiful decoration. All right, so it is like 9:30, and I am gonna go get ready for bed and see how much more of Serpent and Dove I can get through. That is where I'm at. So I've got think I'm like 60 something% of the way through it. I love this bookmark. I showed it in another video, but like look at it in the book. Like, shut up. And like you saw earlier, or just a second ago, I had like just the tail sticking out. Like, just the tail. I just love this, it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, get cleaned up, and get in the bed and read some of this. And then the book I'm listening to right now is Winter House. So I finished Land of Roar, and then I read this one. Is it Land of Roar? Was there another one after Land of Roar? I can't even remember what I literally just read, but this is my current middle grade that I'm listening to. Oh, it was the book by Lindsay Curie, Peculiar Incident on Shady Street. I finished that one and started this one this morning, last night. We're on chapter 12, 100 pages in. Again, another book with beautiful illustrations. Where's the library? There's a really cool illustration of the library in here. I just love this stuff. It's so cool. And it's like, I'm waiting for some certain TV series to come out with their next season. Like The Witcher, the second season comes out I think next week, so I've been waiting on that. But I am more interested in the stories that are in these books right now than most of the TV shows that are available. I've seen like everything I could binge watch at this point, so I'm all about the books. So with that, I'm gonna close out today's vlog. Leave me leave me like a peppermint candy emoji in the comments below to go with my holiday theme if you made it this far, and I will catch you tomorrow. Love you, beautiful. Bye.